Now car A left town X for town Y, which was 500 km apart. It traveled at an average speed of 90 km per hour for 3/5 of the journey and 30 km for the rest of the journey, and reached town Y at 3 p.m. At this point, we're going to draw the journey charts, alright? Okay, car A left town X to for town Y. We cut the 500 meter into 5 equal units of 100 km. The reason is because of the fraction given to us, 3 over 5. Okay, the denominator is 5. Okay, so we are told that car A left town X for town Y, traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour for the first part of the journey. Alright, and the first part of the journey actually is 3/5, so 300 km away. Alright, then for second part of car A journey, he traveled at 30 km per hour, and he reached town Y at the time of 3 p.m. Okay, we do not know what time he started, but he reached at 3 p.m. Okay, for A. And then for B left town X for town Y at the same time. That means they travel at the same direction, right? So B left town X for town Y at the same time. Okay, and then travel at a constant speed of 50 km per hour throughout the entire journey. Alright, so how far apart were the two cars at 2 p.m.? So what happened at 2 p.m.? Okay, now at 2 p.m., I will draw the line here. Okay, at 2 p.m., the car A will be 30 km from Y, down Y. Why is it so? Because we know that for the second part of the journey, right? For the second part of the journey, for car A, travel at 30 km per hour. Alright, and he hit town Y at 3 p.m. So at 2 p.m., that is 1 hour away. That means to say he was 30 km away from town Y. Okay, that's why I draw the line somewhere nearer to Y. Okay, then what about, let's fill out the information and then we can proceed on to find the unknown. Alright, so the time taken for the first part of journey of car A was 300 km divided by the speed of 90 km per hour, and that gives us 3 hour and a 3 and a third hour. Okay, 3 and a third hour. Then for the second part of his journey, he traveled at a speed of 30 km per hour, and then the time taken is the distance divided by the speed. What is the distance? Because the entire distance is 500. Okay, 500. But for the second part of the journey, okay, we take 200 here. Alright, minus away 30 kilometer. Alright, from Y. Okay, we're talking about his second part. That means until 2 p.m. Alright, 170 kilometer divided by 30, and it took him 5 and another 5 and 2/3 hour. Alright, so total time taken by car A to travel from town X to town Y at 2 p.m. At the point of 2 p.m. He did not reach town Y yet. Okay, the total time taken is 5 and 2/3 plus 3 and 1/3. That gives us 9 hours. Okay, so 9 hours later is 2 p.m. Same goes to car B, because car B started the journey at the same time as car A. Alright, so that means to say that if car A travel for 9 hours, then car B also travel for 9 hours. So I put time for car B to be 9 hours. Okay, and we know that he traveled at a constant speed of 50 km per hour. Alright, so what is the distance covered by car B 9 hours later? Which is speed time 50 times 9, that gives us 450 km. Okay, the entire journey is 500 km. So car B traveled 450 km. That means to say that he was 50 km away from town Y. Alright, whereas for car A, 30 km from town Y. So what is the distance apart? Which is the difference here, 50 minus 20. Okay, so car B was 20 km apart from car A. at 2 p.m. And that's the answer. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.